High above the Earth, piercing the night sky with unmatched brilliance, shines a star that has captured human imagination since the dawn of civilization. Known as Sirius, the brightest star visible from our planet. It dominates the heavens with a light so intense that ancient peoples believed it carried divine power. Long before telescopes and modern science, Sirius was already shaping calendars, myths, religions, and the course of human history. Sirius lies in the constellation Canis Major, the Great Dog, faithfully following Orion across the sky. From Earth, it appears as a single dazzling point of white-blue light, often twinkling wildly near the horizon, flashing hues of red, blue, and green. This shimmering effect led many ancient observers to believe Sirius was alive, a cosmic beacon sending messages from the heavens. In reality, Sirius is not a single star at all. It is a binary star system, composed of Sirius A, a massive and luminous main sequence star, and Sirius B, a dense white dwarf, the remnant core of a once great star. Together, they orbit each other in a slow, gravitational dance, bound by forces older than humanity itself. Sirius A is roughly twice the mass of our sun and over 20 times more luminous. Its intense energy floods space with light, making it visible even in cities washed in artificial glow. At a distance of just 8.6 light-years from Earth, Sirius is one of our closest stellar neighbors, yet its power makes it appear far more dominant than stars many times closer. Sirius B, though invisible to the naked eye, is one of the most extraordinary objects in the known universe. About the size of Earth, but containing a mass comparable to the Sun. It is so dense that a single teaspoon of its matter would weigh billions of tons. This stellar corpse represents the final evolutionary stage of stars, like our own, offering scientists a glimpse into the future of the Sun itself. The story of Sirius is also a story of time. Thousands of years ago, ancient Egyptians closely observed the heliacal rising of Sirius the moment it first appeared in the dawn sky after months of invisibility. This event coincided almost perfectly with the annual flooding of the Nile River, which brought fertile soil and renewed life to the land. To the Egyptians, Sirius was not just a star. It was the heartbeat of civilization. Temples were aligned with its rising, calendars were built around its cycle, and its return marked the beginning of the Egyptian New Year. In this way, Sirius became a bridge between Earth and sky, time and eternity. Across the ancient world, Sirius held similar importance. The Greeks called it Sirius, meaning scorching or glowing, believing its appearance brought the hottest days of summer. Thus emerged the term the dog days, a period associated with heat, drought, fever, and unrest. Romans, Mesopotamians, and Polynesians all wove Sirius into their mythologies, each culture seeing in it a powerful celestial force. Perhaps one of the most mysterious connections to Sirius comes from the Dogon people of West Africa. Their ancient oral traditions describe Sirius as a complex star system, including a dense companion star with an incredibly long orbit. These descriptions, recorded before modern telescopes reached the region, have sparked intense debate among scientists, anthropologists, and historians, raising questions about ancient astronomical knowledge and its origins. Modern astronomy finally revealed the true nature of Sirius in the 19th century. Precise observations showed that Sirius A wobbled slightly, as if pulled by an unseen companion. In 1862, Sirius B was visually confirmed, becoming the first white dwarf ever discovered. This revelation revolutionized astrophysics, proving that stars could collapse into ultra-dense remnants after exhausting their nuclear fuel. The life cycle of Sirius tells a story of cosmic transformation. Sirius B was once larger and brighter than Sirius A. Over millions of years, it burned through its fuel, expanded into a red giant, and shed its outer layers into space. What remained was a white dwarf, its core exposed, compressed by gravity into one of the most extreme states of matter known. Sirius A continues to shine in its prime, but it too is destined for change. In roughly 1 billion years, it will exhaust its hydrogen fuel, expand, and eventually follow a similar path. The Sirius system, like all things in the universe, is temporary, brilliant, yet fleeting on cosmic time. Because of its proximity, Sirius has become a cornerstone of astronomical research. It serves as a calibration star for telescopes, a reference point for measuring stellar brightness, and a laboratory for studying stellar evolution. Its light has helped astronomers refine models of how stars are born, live, and die. Yet despite centuries of study, Sirius still holds mysteries. Its intense brightness challenges observation, masking subtle details. Its past interactions may have altered surrounding space in ways we are only beginning to understand. Even its future trajectory through the galaxy raises questions about how nearby stars influence one another over millions of years. From Earth, Sirius appears eternal, unchanging, a constant presence in the night sky. But, in truth, we see it as it was 8.6 years ago. Every photon reaching our eyes began its journey before reaching us, crossing interstellar space at the speed of light. Sirius is not just distant in space, is distant in time. As light pollution spreads and fewer people experience truly dark skies, the connection between humanity and the stars grows weaker. Yet Sirius remains visible even through the glow of cities, reminding us of a deeper cosmic heritage. It is a star that refuses to be ignored, calling our gaze upward, urging us to remember our place in the universe. In the vast scale of the cosmos, Sirius is just one of hundreds of billions of stars in our galaxy. And yet, from our fragile world, it stands out above all. Others a symbol of guidance, power, and continuity. It has watched over hunters, farmers, priests, sailors, scientists, and dreamers alike. The story of Sirius is the story of humanity's relationship with the sky. It is a tale of observation, imagination, science, and survival. From myth to measurement, from divine symbol to astrophysical marvel, Sirius continues to shine unchanged in brilliance, yet ever-changing in meaning. As Earth moves through space and civilizations rise and fall, Sirius remains a constant companion in the heavens. Long after humanity is gone, it will continue its journey through the galaxy, shining for worlds yet unborn. In its light, we glimpse both our past and our future, written not in words, but in starlight.